This video shows how to fine-tune large language models with the web UI of Llama Factory. We selected the pre-trained model among the supported models. We choose two provided datasets to fine-tune the model. We are able to preview samples in the datasets. We set up the experimental parameters. We opt for larger learning rate, epochs, and smaller samples. We adjust the batch size to an appropriate value. We apply the recently proposed DORA method to all the layers. We check the experimental parameters by previewing the comment, then click the Start button to launch the fine-tuning process. For this model, fine-tuning is completed in just 5 minutes. The training loss decreases as the fine-tuning proceeds. After the adapter was saved, we switch to the chat interface. We load the saved adapters to chat with the fine-tuned model. We observe that the fine-tuned model has a customized behavior, while its original instruction following ability is preserved. Finally, we can merge the adapter into the pre-trained model and upload it.